Welcome to Summarize Science. Turning a broad research question into a specific set of computer instructions is actually much harder than it sounds. Researchers have developed a new system that uses Agentic AI to bridge this gap between questions and results. Today, scientists often spend hours manually mapping out workflows, which requires both deep domain knowledge and high-level technical expertise. It is a slow and error-prone process that acts as a barrier for many researchers. The proposed system works through a three-layer process that separates creative interpretation from technical execution. The first layer uses large language models, similar to the ones you might use to write emails, to understand what a scientist actually wants. Instead of letting the AI run wild, a second deterministic layer ensures the experiments are repeatable and accurate every single time. The third layer is called the knowledge layer, where human experts write skills in simple text files. Look at this diagram showing how different specialized agents like the conductor and workflow composer talk to each other to get things done. These agents act like a team of specialized assistants, handling everything from routing queries to monitoring for errors during the experiment. The system ensures that the scientist interacts only with the conductor and never has to touch the complex underlying infrastructure. The skills act as a translation dictionary, helping the AI know that a phrase like European population should map to a specific scientific data code. This approach means scientists do not have to be computer programming experts to run complex genomic analyses. They tested this system on the 1000 Genomes Project, which is a massive effort to map human genetic variation across the globe. By using these predefined skills, the researchers saw the AI's accuracy in understanding research intents jump from 44% to 83%. One of the most interesting parts is something called deferred generation, which waits until the last second to build the workflow based on actual data sizes. This smart timing reduced unnecessary data transfers by a staggering 92% in some of their tests. When they ran the full pipeline, the AI's overhead cost was calculated at less than a tenth of a cent per query. Compare that to a human expert who might take 30 to 50 minutes to set up the same task manually. The AI-driven system finished the entire setup process in just about 106 seconds. This means researchers can spend much more time thinking about big discoveries and less time troubleshooting code. The researchers believe the design is meant to be broadly applicable to many different scientific fields. By separating AI intuition from technical rules, they have created a blueprint for the future of scientific automation. This project provides complete provenance, allowing researchers to audit exactly how a question turned into a specific experiment. To recap, this paper shows how we can use AI to automate the boring parts of science while keeping the results reliable and verifiable. In the future, this could be ported to fields like drug discovery or climate modeling. It paves the way for a world where anyone can ask a scientific question and get a high-quality analysis in minutes. That is all for today on Summarize Science.